Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see by the title, it's a decorate with me, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm decorating my bathroom for the holidays. So if you're interested, keep on watching this video. So the first thing I decided to do was DIY my own towels, and this one I'm just hot gluing some rhinestones and some diamond wrap to give it, a different vibe, to give it something nice for the holidays. And I already have these towels laying around in the house. Why not use all the items that I have? Also, my bathroom, guys, is super weird, like the layout. It's a typical small New York bathroom. I don't have a vanity, nothing like that. So here I'm showing you how I usually decorate in top of the toilet. So if you have a small bathroom, this is a great idea for you to kind of decorate. So the first idea I have is to add this really nice sleigh that Christy sent to me. Thank you so much. And I added those hand towels. The second style was the one that I decided to stay with because it was more my style. I added that really pretty marble Christmas tree from Burlington, and also this really pretty hand towels that I picked up with the blinged out tray, and I thought that would turn out so beautiful. So for the sink area, you guys, can't do much, like I said, because I don't have a vanity. So all I did was just change the soap dispenser and the toothpaste holder. And that's pretty much it. I added these blinked out ones that I got at Home Goods. They're so pretty, and that gives it, a really nice look, at least I think. And then obviously with the hand towels that I made, it just looks so pretty in my bathroom now. So look how pretty the towel turned out, you guys. I really liked it. It's so pretty. So guys, I really hope this video inspired you, if you have a small bathroom like mine, to work with what you have, to be grateful for what you have, and just make it pretty. It doesn't matter how our home is, how big or small, we have to make it pretty and be thankful for what we have. Guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope I gave you some inspiration. Let me know down in the comments, how do you usually like to decorate your bathroom for the holidays? Thanks a lot for watching. I see you on the next one. God bless.